In a bid to boost learning, a teacher decided to hold classes outdoors. "Nature is the best teacher," she declared as students gathered under a big oak tree. "Today we'll learn about photosynthesis," she announced. Suddenly, a squirrel darted down, stealing her sandwich. "See, even squirrels appreciate nature's bounty," she laughed. The students giggled, more interested in the squirrel's antics than the lesson. "Well, at least someone's learning," she sighed. "Next time, we'll study in the cafeteria," she joked as the class erupted in laughter. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.